What's up, KJ fam? It's your boy Kel.
And it's your girl, Jos.
And we back with another video. This is day 3 of the Houston, Texas birthday vlog for baby girl. Today we're gonna do a little festivities. We're gonna go sightseeing. We're gonna show y'all all that.
And we're gonna eat some good food.
Great food. And y'all like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn those post notifications before this video gets started. And we'll see y'all in a minute.
So y'all, we are at Genghis Grill, and y'all, we haven't eaten at this place in a long time.
Freaking good.
It used to be in Montgomery, but they moved it. So y'all, when we find out Houston had it, we canceled our reservations for brunch and was like, we come in here because it's just that good. So we're gonna show y'all how the whole little setup is, and of course how the food tastes, okay? Bows, and y'all, they look so good.
So excited.
So that's mine. It has noodles, broccoli, chicken, bell pepper, onion, potatoes, and then babe, he got.
I got noodles, rice, chicken, crab, shrimp, potatoes, and some other stuff.
Y'all, we haven't had these bowls since we were in college. We're so excited. So we about to eat. We'll be back.
What's up, you guys? So right now we're at the Graffiti Park.
And we gonna show y'all some dope graffiti.
Show y'all some dope graffiti. They got graffiti everywhere.
Literally everywhere.
I'm finna take some good pictures right here.
Yes, like the graffiti part is really lit. Oh y'all, by the way, the food was good. Look at my belly. Y'all see this? It's the belly for me. Like your belly full too.
My belly full too.
But we gonna show y'all some of this graffiti and all that good stuff. So yeah.
Alright guys, so we at this new place called Daiquiri Explosion, Daiquiris to go, and we're about to go get a little some.
Y'all, my stomach may be messed up because I thought Sheets was donuts, y'all. The best freaking donuts, and I got me some donut holes. If you know about Sheepless, then you know about Sheepless. If you don't know, try you some Sheepless donuts. My stomach about to be messed up, y'all. My stomach about to be tore up, babe.
Alright. Let's go up inside of here and see what we're gonna get.
And it's the daiquiris to go, so we won't even be sitting in here. But where my mask at? Okay. Alright, let's go.
Be back shortly.
And then I could go from here on what exactly y'all like.
What that is? Peach? Mango?
Yeah, they got mango in there. You welcome, sweetheart.
How I say? Jocelyn make an ugly face. You don't like it.
You don't like it?
It ain't sweet enough.
Okay, it ain't sweet.
It ain't sweet enough for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
You.
I taste like something. It's like an aftertaste or something.
Do you have anything tangier? Like lemon?
I have
Like this is good.
big tantrum, but that's with strawberry and lemonade. Here you go, sweetheart. So what you?
Go big with delicious munchies topped with all your favorites. Not just party pack, only at Taco Bell. Get yours with Taco Bell delivery.
That's
Like
what
that.
you want?
I want this. It's good.
You're not gonna taste the pink.
Yeah.
You like the tongue cheese? What it taste like?
You like the Thai cream? What? That's just a Thai kiss by itself.
Which one you taste
Mango,
more?
pineapple, and peach. I taste peach more.
You say taste peach more.
They are the reason we sit here.
Yeah, that was good too.
When Della and Gladys and,
You know, like that. Y'all know I'm not a drinker, so I gotta taste the fruit more. If I taste alcohol, I wouldn't want it.
so that we can get on.
Y'all, we are at the Waterfall Park, and it's this nice little tourist attraction in Houston, and it's a beautiful waterfall. You just come and take pictures and stuff like
It's a
that.
complete vibe.
It is. Everybody's out here and stuff like that. It's really cool. It's kind of like it's kind of like a park for real, because everybody's spread out. Some people doing picnics and stuff like that.
They doing work on their laptops.
And we think somebody is about to get proposed to, and it's just so cute, y'all. So yeah. So we're gonna show y'all the waterfall, and if y'all can actually hear it, you can hear the water coming down and stuff like that. And we're gonna take some pictures while we're out here. So yeah.
So we're getting ready for Jos' birthday dinner. She's in there getting her makeup done by her sister, and I'm almost done getting dressed. But we're finna go check her out, see how it's coming. Give me 1 minute. Getting that makeup done.
Yes. Hi guys. My
Almost
sister
done.
is a makeup artist. Yeah, she's almost done. She's a makeup artist. Y'all gonna be able to book with her soon, okay? But she gonna always do my makeup before y'all makeup. I'm just saying.
Alright, so once we get in the car, we'll see y'all soon. So y'all stay tuned. We celebrating baby girl's birthday at RUTH Chris. This is her birthday dinner. Are you happy to be here?
I'm happy. I like my birthday outfit. Oh, baby.
Okay, I like that.
Oh, you just gonna go right down. Okay.
Yeah, it's hard.
Thanks, babe.
You ready to go inside?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
I like that one.
1, a 2, a 1, a 2, a 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, baby girl.
Guys, thank you guys. I'm gonna make a wish. Good morning, you guys. So this is our last little time. Bless you, babe. This is our last little time left in Houston, and we're about to get ready to head out.
Finna go back home.
Yeah, so we can see our baby Dior. So we'll see y'all when we get to the airport, because we're really pressed for time. Hopefully we don't miss our flight, so we'll see. So y'all, we are at the airport, and it is, what time is it?
It is 8:13.
And our flight leaves at 8:30. We haven't even gone through security, so we probably about to miss our flight. We about to miss our flight. I don't know what happened this morning. We about to miss our flight. It's not funny, but it's like, dang. Like, this has never happened.
Never happened.
But
She went back to sleep.
But somebody wanted to take an early flight out, and I said, no, babe, let's not do an early flight. So this is what's going on. Hopefully we make it through. I don't know. It's his fault, though.
No, your fault.
How's my fault?
Because you set the alarm and went back to sleep.
You didn't set your alarm at all, though.
Oh, you set 2 alarms.
For stuff like this. Yeah, we gonna let y'all know. Pray for us. We got our fam in the bag. They just like, we got to miss the flight. So we gonna see y'all. Okay. So we literally just had to run through the airport. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. But we made it. We like the last people to get on.
Officially landed back in Atlanta. The trip was a success. It was great. We had a tremendous amount of fun. You enjoyed yourself?
Yes, I enjoyed myself. It was lit, y'all. We had so much fun. Hold on. Woo! Almost fell. But we had a lot of fun. It was great. We're back in Atlanta. This is my first birthday trip. My first ever birthday trip, and it was amazing. Many more to come. Maybe for your birthday. Maybe. Who knows? Maybe, like I said. But y'all, my birthday is still not until Wednesday, okay? This was just my trip or whatever, like for the celebration. We hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Don't forget to turn on post notifications.
So y'all can get these vlogs, okay?
More vids, more content coming soon. Y'all stay tuned.
And we love you guys, KJ fam. I love you. Mass peace. See y'all in the next video. Bye.